welcome to Bairstow's Basics, take 2. So today we're going to be doing a very simple steak sandwich, and we've got Ben and James with us.
Whenever I call James, it means I'm in trouble.
Oh, sorry. Jocky. So I'm looking forward to this because a lot of people get steaks really wrong, and I'm hoping I'm not going to do the same today.
You might get it wrong.
I'm Jocky. I'll be coming from St Albans to join Johnny and Ben in steak sandwich cook-off.
This escapade. I'm in London. Let's go quickly through the ingredients. What I've got here, I've got amazing Lake District sirloin steak, dry aged. Johnny, what you got?
I've got my steak as well from the butchers in Headingley.
I've got Lake District's finest cowboy lamb steaks.
Lamb steak, amazing. And then I'm going to make like a dirty burger sauce. So I've got mayonnaise, I've got sriracha, I've got American mustard, I've got ketchup, I've got pickles, and I'm going to mix it together.
I've got my little daughter's cups, but I've got the mayonnaise, I've got the mustard, the ketchup. This is lamb. I'm going to add a bit of tapenade that I found in the cupboard.
Cupboards are being raided across the country, right?
I've gone a bit more simple. I've just got my mustard, and then a bit controversial. I've gone Nando's Pyrenees.
Yay!
Nando's Pyrenees. I didn't even know it was a thing. I'm going to get on the steak. So I just put salt and a little bit of oil. Don't oil the pan, oil the steak.
What I do, I use table salt to season the steak to start with, and then I'll finish it with sea salt.
They don't oil the pan.
Oil pan, oil the steak.
I put some oil in the pan.
Oh, shit.
And when I cook the steak, I'm going to cook the fat bit first.
The other thing is don't move it around too much once it's in the pan, once it's going. Just leave it alone. If you don't have a griddle pan, just use a normal frying pan. Look at that.
The way I cook my steaks, Johnny, is that I turn it every 30 seconds depending on how I want to cook it. So every 30 seconds, I'll turn it probably over 3 minutes for this kind of steak.
Can't hear much sizzling going on. Look at that. It's looking good straight away. You've got a super hot pan.
Then,
Look at that.
Then about the meat, like taking out the fridge so the meat doesn't just go like really tough straight away. Because if you go from being really cold to being hot,
if you think about temperatures, how you want to get the temperature up to like 50 degrees, 50 or 60 degrees for medium or rare, medium rare. If your beef's already at like 22 degrees because the room temperature is 22, you've got a lot shorter distance to get up to that temperature. So it just cooks a little bit quicker and it cooks a little bit more even.
I don't reckon I'm far off here.
Super hot pan, that's good. So one of the tricks we're going to do is the resting. So I've got a plastic container. Jocky, you've got what?
I'm going to use foil. So I'm going to wrap the lamb steak in foil after it's cooked in the pan.
When the steak's resting, then you can put everything else together. So that's how quick and easy it is.
The theory then behind letting it rest.
The juice just goes back into the meat a little bit instead of cutting it, especially because you're going to make a sandwich. If you slice it while it's straight out of the pan, it will bleed all over the chopping board and you'll lose all that juice. Whereas you want to have that in the beef, and if it's rested, it just stays inside.
So I'm going to take mine out. I'm going to put it on the foil. And then what I'm going to do, while it's still hot, I'm going to rub it with rosemary. And then I'm going to put a little bit of butter on there as well. Put some pepper. Grind pepper on. And then I'm going to rub it with a little bit of the tapenade. Wrap it in the foil. Wrap it with like a present.
Sorry, where's your chopping board? Have you got a new head chef chopping board there?
So this was another gift, you'll be pleased to know.
Look at that.
It's like the head chef, Jonathan, the head chef. This is mine. I've got the name, me and the missus, and then, just to help me out, on the other side, I got the anniversary.
Chef Ben.
Chef Ben, my ODI number, so 223. So the 223rd person to play ODI cricket for England.
This is the chit chat. What's next? My sauce, it's just going to be mustard, a bit of ketchup, a bit of mayonnaise, a bit of pepper, a few sprigs of rosemary.
Well, I'm ready. Is there a recipe here, Bairstow? Are you just ad-lib? Are you just chucking it together?
I'm just chucking it together. I'm just listening to what Jocky's just said, like mustard, ketchup, mayo, just launching it in.
Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon.
Oh, mine, we're going to go with mustard, what, mayonnaise?
Yeah.
4 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of sriracha. 2 tablespoons of American mustard. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup.
I've gone for Dijon.
That's because you're posh. And then I'm going to put a little cheeky ingredient inside, which is going to be the just a little bit of chopped pickled gherkins.
I've got some gherkins. Do you reckon I should pop it in?
Go for it.
I've just gone for some cucumber that I put in some vinegar, salt, and sugar. Homemade pickled cucumber.
Is that how that should look?
I've got tomatoes, I've got watercress, and I've got a little bit of the Castle Franco.
I've gone for iceberg, I've got tomato, and I've got the pickled cucumber.
Don't forget, you've got to toast the bread. We're just going to do one side of the bread. So one side stays nice and soft, and one side goes nice and toasty.
I'm going to cook the toast in the olive oil.
I've got mine on still the same heat as it was before.
Take the bread off. This is my bread. I made it with miso. Happy Shopper plain flour bread.
Johnny, what's your bread about?
My bread wasn't made, bought from Bear Coffee Shop.
Mine is just the simple sourdough that we made. We make it almost every 2 days. Right, I'm going to start toasting mine.
Yeah. So in the pan.
Touch of olive oil.
Well, I've done a little bit extra, chaps. I've got some onions that I've been sneakily cooking.
Oh.
Your burger sauce, I've got some onions that I've been cooking, so steak and onion sandwiches.
This is getting serious now, I think. This started off as a lark, and now it's turning serious.
Look at that. That's a lamb. Look at that beautiful lamb.
Looking good. That is... Oh, I'm a bit worried. We're almost ready. We're almost ready.
What are you going to do with the juices? I'm going to pour the juices on my toast.
I might put the juices into the sauce.
Oh, bit warm that.
Yeah, that's burnt up.
Another thing I failed to tell you, well, I've done a little side salad.
Oh my God, look at that. That is right out of the room service handbook. You learn that in hotels around the world.
I'm going to go for that.
Lovely.
Mine's like that.
Are you putting the sauce directly onto the bread, or how are you doing it?
Who's going to build first? Johnny, you go first.
We've got my toast, sauce on the bread, and then we've got my steak, which I'm pretty happy with.
Look at that.
And then a bit more sauce. You can put the taste of coleslaw or whatever if you want inside it. But then...
Hey, what he's cutting off? That's not bad, that's not bad. Look at the garnish. I've got the garnish more than everything else, I think. Look at that.
Okay, I'm going to finish mine. Nice one, Johnny. I'm going to get the meat juices, pour inside the bread. So we're going to keep all that flavour. I'm going to put a bit of sauce inside.
Oof.
The bread is not been toasted. A bit of iceberg lettuce, tomato. And I'm going to put one of these lamb steaks fully on. And then I'll cut it into bite-sized pieces. Well, not bite-sized, but 2 bite-sized pieces. So it's kind of a messy, dirty sandwich.
Looking good.
Wow.
Juicy.
I've got my toast. And then I'm gonna cut the steak. I've got all these lovely juices that we're gonna just pour straight into the sauce. Amazing. Mix that together. Oh my word, that sauce is now just gone up a notch. So hopefully the leaves are going to catch all the juices that come out. Oh my goodness, the cuisson is right there. And I'm going to put that now, because I didn't put it before. I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on the steak sandwich. And a bit of watercress. And we're going to cut it. Oh my word. Here we go. Look at that. No messing about. Look at Jocky's got some sort of. Look at that, it's the whole dish there.
Go on, Johnny, let's see it. Look, he's got garnish and everything.
I know.
Happy with that?
Very happy. Very happy with that. Right, that, I believe, is the end of Bairstow Basics this week. Thank you very much for watching it. Put some requests in the comments on YouTube, and then we'll see if we can start doing a few requests.